Hi everyone, this is for the people who wants to practice cloud native development, DevOps environment, Kubernetes, Dockers in their own laptop. I find it's hard to create environment, but there is a very good tool provided by Red Hat. They are giving this Openshift container platform, and they are giving a distribution that is called code ready containers. So how you can install it easily in just 5 or 10 minutes in your laptop, that's I want to show you. So that's it. So assuming we have Ubuntu, and then we have to enable the virtual technology from the BIOS, and then we have to create an account in Red Hat. If you create an account in the Red Hat, in the cluster section, you can go in new cluster and the local, and it will give you this option to download this cloud ready containers. So there is good wikis and instructions there. So we are going to install this cloud ready containers, which is a distribution of basically container platform, this Red Hat Openshift container platform. So what we will need, the minimum requirement is this. I think you have this is pretty simple. And then if this is Ubuntu, we have to install this library, virtualization library. So once you install that, you have to download this one from here. It's a bit large, it's almost 2 GB, and yes, and then if you unzip it, you will get this one, and you have to put it in the path, and then you have to run this command, CRC setup. So if you run this command, it will check everything for you, all these things, network manager, DNS, virtualizations, and then it will ask for the key. You have to put the key, the secret, and then here you can copy it from here. Then it will create domain, subdomain for you, and it will give you the platform with 2 accounts, administrator and developer. And if you go here as a administrator, you will see all these things ready. So like all other cloud platforms, Amazon, GCP, Azure, you will see this networking, storage, computing. So these are the basic things and the workloads. So in computing, you will get the nodes. There is only one node now, your machine, and this machine is basically configuring as node, and pretty simple. And then you can try so many other ways to do that. So basically now you want to develop something. So let's see, you're developing a Spring application. I have just it's done already. I just given this one. So what is this? I'm creating a project, test3 project. So go to the project. This is a test3 project. So you can create a project from here. Create a project. If you go to the key project, you have to give a name, then it will become like that. Then from that you can easily go to add, and you can create from Git. You will have a Git, so you'll just go and select Java, and you will select the platform, and then you have to give a name, and the most importantly the URL. So I have given a URL. You can easily get it from here. I have like this URL. They have given example URL. So I have given it for the test3 project. So and the project, and what it has done. Look, it has done one build, and it was successful. You can see the whole build. So it is cloned from the Git, then it has done all the Maven build, and then it has created a container, and it has pushed the container to the registry. Okay, so I pushed and done. It has generated the deployment file, and details it here. And so I want to browse it. So okay, let's see. So if you go here, deployment, you'll see there is, when I created it has created a route in Kubernetes you can also call it ingress route or route ingress. So this ingress is also created here. Now if I click this, the application is superior. Yeah. So hello Openshift. That's pretty simple. So this is the way. So it's giving all the environment, and then it's creating the pods and other things like deployment, and the pods are already there, completed. One is still, and then in route. So Openshift container platform is basically on Kubernetes with some awesome features, and you can easily manage anything you know in DevOps from any container platform. So I find it really awesome. So I think you will like it. So practicing DevOps from your own laptop, the Red Hat is making really easy and very high standard and giving all the security things and practices. Best of